To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Bear, bear. In this lesson, we are going to learn the difference between these two words and how to use each correctly. Bear, B-A-R-E. This can be an adjective, and it means something that is not covered by anything. This can refer to a person or a place. For example, don't walk outside in bare feet. This means don't walk outside if your feet are not covered by anything, like shoes or socks. Another example is, she put wallpaper on the bare walls. Bear can also be a verb. As a verb, it means to uncover or to expose. For example, the dog bares its teeth when it is angry. This means the dog shows its teeth. Bear, B-E-A-R. This can be a noun. As we all know, a bear, the animal, which is a large mammal. For example, polar bears are huge. Bear can also be a verb. As a verb, it means to hold, to tolerate, or to accept something. For example, I can't bear the thought of not seeing my dog again. In this example, I'm essentially saying that I can't handle the thought of not seeing my dog again. So this is something that's very hard for me to think about. Here is an example of the different meanings of bear in a sentence. The bear runs in bare feet and bares its teeth when it is hungry. So the first bear refers to the noun. The second bear refers to the adjective. And the third bear refers to the verb.